Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to use Toggl Track, a powerful and simple time tracking tool used by freelancers, remote teams and businesses. By the end of this video, you will know how to track time, organize projects, analyze productivity and stay focused. Let's get started. Toggl Track is a free time tracking app available on web, desktop, mobile, and even as a browser extension. It's great for freelancers, billing hourly, remote workers managing time, teams tracking project hours, anyone who wants to understand where their time goes. Now let's sign in and explore the dashboard. Head over to toggl.com/track and create an account for free. Click try for free or start making free. Then enter your email address and click sign up button and enter the code. Enter the verification code from your email like that. Copy and paste here and verify and use a strong password and click save new password. That's it. You are done. Then complete your profile like that. Once you are in, here's what you will see. Timer tab, start and stop tasks, projects and clients tab, organize your work, reports, analyze where your time goes, calendar view, visual timeline of your week, settings, customize workspace and notifications. Now let's track your first task. Option 1, a live timer. Go to the timer tab. Type what you are working on, like editing YouTube video. Just click create a goal name like video editing for YouTube video. Then choose member like you. Then track. Then choose hour like 5 hour every day from today and create goal. Option 2, manual entry like that. Use tags to label tasks like admin, creative, client A. You can also use the Pomodoro timer for focus. Keep things TD, click on projects, add a project name, pick a color, assign a client or team member, then click advanced option, then add client, then create project. Why this matters? You can filter reports by project or client. You will instantly see how much time each area of your life or business tasks. You can even set hourly rates for projects if you are billing clients. Click the Reports tab. Here you'll see time tracked by project, client, member, tasks, tag, description, etc. Daily and weekly breakdown, billable versus non-billable hours, export options like CSV, PDF. This is super helpful for freelancers who invoice clients, business owners reviewing productivity, anyone trying to improve time habits. You can also schedule reports to email you every week or month. In calendar tab, in the calendar view tab, drag and drop the blocks, visualize your week, see overlapping tasks or gaps. Toggl also integrate with Google Calendar, Asana, Trello, Notion, Slack and GitHub, Chrome, Firefox for tracking, quick tracking on websites. This helps you track time without switching tools. Quick tips. Use keyboard shortcuts to start and stop timers. Install the mobile app for on-the-go tracking. Turn on ideal detection so you don't forget to stop the timer. Set reminders if you forget to log your hours. And finally, explore the workspace settings to add team members, manage time enters, set privacy and notification preferences. And that's how you use Toggl Track in 2025. It's simple, powerful, and super flexible whether you are working solo or with a team. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want a comparison video between Toggl and Clockify next. Thanks for watching and stay productive.